Everyone, my name's Kade and I'm from Youthtown in Upper Hutt, and today we're going to be doing some science experiments. I've got my niece here helping me, who's my scientist advisor. Kia ora, Harper. Should we get into it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so today we're going to be making a homemade lava lamp, and you should be able to make this with everything that you've got at home. We've got some food colouring, a bit of water, an empty bottle, and some oil. Now you can use any kind of oil for this, and we're using vegetable oil today. These are Alka-Seltzer tablets. Mum and Dad will need to help you with these, okay? So we start by putting this into the water. Give it some fancy colour. You do that for me. That's the way, good job. Is that enough? A little bit more? Okay, good job. Make it nice and colourful way. Now, next up, we're going to put some oil into this clear plastic bottle. You don't want to spill it, eh?
Yeah.
So you only want a wee bit of oil in the bottom, just enough to fill it up. To the line, that's right. On top of that, we're going to put the water. So shall I put this one in as well, you think? You want to do it? Shall I help you do it? Okay, so you hold the bottle and I'll pour it in. You hold the bottle for me. Nice and still. Good job.
Put all of it in.
Yep, I'll put all of it in there. All in.
Yeah.
You want to put this one in? Yep, we can do that. So you're going to crush it up for me. So we're going to break it once. And you break it in half again for me. That's the way. And then drop that in there. And I'll drop this one. And drop your one. And see how those bubbles are starting to come up?
Yeah.
You see that? And you watch all the pretty colours that come out. You see it coming out here?
I can see the colour pink.
Yeah. Cool. So you see all these bubbles coming up? And that's what a lava lamp looks like when you turn it on. So that's something that we've been able to make with just some water, some oil, food colouring, seltzer tablets.
Can we do it again?
We can. Awesome. Thanks for watching, everyone, and tune in next time for some more science experiments.